you give me the red one, please? And what colour will you take?
Blue.
Blue. Cool, hug. Oh.
Is your teeth so?
Yes.
Hello, Joe. I'm Dr. Smiley.
Ah, hello, Dr. Smiley.
But you can call me Denise.
Ah, Denise the dentist.
I need a new foot pedal for the dentist chair.
A foot pedal? My first delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh.
Lucy, will you come with me, please? That guy. We're gonna go in this room here.
Hello. Your teeth. Now. Good. Ah!
Joe!
Come on, Joe.
Joe, this is the dentist chair. It needs a new foot pedal.
Yes, my first delivery.
I've got to go help a patient next door, but Lucy will help you. Right, Lucy?
Yes.
Let's fix the chair. Okay. Thank you. I just need tape, please. Another hammer. Lucy, try the foot pedal.
Okay. Twitch your nose. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Oh.
Now the chair is ready.
Thank you.